Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Got like a day and a half worth of growth. And today's shave soap is by Ariana and Evans, and this is Vanille de Tabac, or however you want to pronounce it. This is a very nice tobacco scent, and it almost looks like a lovely brownie in there. I do like the artwork on it. Thumbnail. And yes, it gives you that nice rolled cigar tobacco scent. Very nice. I have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And as you can see, the lather kind of has that dark tint to it. It's not that crisp, beautiful white. There's the lather on it. Very nice. The brush I'm using today is one that Chris had sent me a while back, and I did a video with it, and I apologize, I can't remember the knot in it, but it is a badger knot. And he did this very unique brush handle. It's a gem beam shot glass barrel, and I believe he had put like clay or something in there and then fired it and then put the knot in there. Can't remember. I will put a link to Chris's channel in the description box below. Very unique brush. I do like the knot. It's nice and soft and fluffy. And today's razor is the Blackland Vector with the open comb. And I have a feather super blade in it. Yes, that is it. I have a bowl full of warm water here. Going to warm up the razor. Get going with pass number 1 with the grain. Oh yeah. Now with these Artisan style or Artisan club blades, they're very thin but very wide, and you can definitely get your shave done very quickly. But since the blade is so small, even though I have a blade tracker that I try to keep count of the amount of uses per blade, on this one I've been putting a little black dot on the blade with a Sharpie. This is number 7 on the use of this blade, and it is still cutting. As long as I don't get the goatee and pull the hair. It is still cutting like a brand new blade, and that is exceptional. I really enjoy this razor. That is why I have kept it for so long. And I've never really thought about getting rid of it. Even though I've got a few razors that are similar to this one still finds a place in my heart to keep. Shave soap is performing flawlessly. I really enjoy the scent. I may break down and get the splash for this one. I had bought several of their soaps just to try out, and I wasn't sure about the splashes, so I thought I'll just try the soaps first, and if I fall in love with any of the scents, I will get the splashes possibly later, or pair them up with something that is similar to it. And if I don't have anything similar, I love to use the unscented splashes because they go with everything. Pass number 2 across the grain. get around that dangerous little skin growth thingy. So tell me, comment below and let me know what has been going on in your shave world. Anything new, anything old, anything you've decided to get rid of or purchase new. My wife has been, I don't know, sick or allergy type stuff, and she's been sneezing and coughing and all that stuff, and I've been trying to avoid picking any of that up from her, but I feel as though my immune system worked very hard. It is now starting to catch up to me. I've got a little bit of that sinus drainage and stuff. Hopefully that's all it is, but let me get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. We had some storms come busting through the other night, tornadoes and such, and the next day when I woke up and went out to the pond, there was like a quarter of it that was just all kind of nasty with use some Star Jelly here, with pollen and all that kind of dusty debris that was floating on top. And I feel like that helped contribute with just all that stuff floating in the air, breathing it in and things. Probably aggravated my sinuses. Well, that is going to be the shave for today. I will put a picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You guys have a great rest of your weekend.